Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you my big box plant bulbs shopping haul. I recently went to a local store and picked up some amazing bulbs and I can wait to show you. Just look at all the color and imagine all the fragrance. I'm going to show you in a minute which ones are the ones that I bought to add a big pop of color into my garden. Several are for shade, some bulbs are for sunlight, which are great for planting in the fall or seeing them bloom in the spring. I can't wait. It's going to be a stunning visual display. So what did I get in Lowe's in my big box plant shopping trip? I got a fern. I used to have a big collection of ferns back in the day. Many of them died when we had that crazy summer. So I'm looking forward to get a new little collection of ferns. Some that are safe for my zone. And these seem to fit the bill. Same. They typically don't tell you the zone for the ferns because they like it in the shade and not too cold or not too hot. So this one doesn't say the number of the cold hardiness, but -20 to -30 F seems pretty safe to me. If we ever reach that weather, I'm not going to be concerned about the fern, I'm going to be concerned about myself. And this clematis also. This is a different color from the other ones in the other video. This one is called Belle de Working. Looks like a gorgeous pale pink. I can't wait to have it bloom. This says it's early summer. So I need to plant it already and wait for it to grow. Some of them I know they don't flower the first year, but since I have never planted clematis, I'm going to be just waiting for, be surprised. And the other thing that I always love is rosemary. Oh, if you could smell it. It's one of my favorite smells. The aroma of the rosemary. In cooking and also just in the plant itself, you put them in a pot next to your entrance and you can just touch them as you go. It's so beautiful. And one benefit of all of these plants is that the deer don't care for them. They don't like the rosemary smell. I do, but they don't. That's a plus. So this is what I shopped in my little trip. The other part was the other thing that I got was the edges for the flower bed that I'm working on. I want to just take this brown edge, put it around, and make this a flower bed instead of just a sago plant in the middle of the grass. I like it with a little edge. I'm going to put stones on it, probably white river stones, but I'm going to see what is available. I'm not too picky about the stones, but it has to be big enough that any rain is not going to drag them away. So that's going to be for another video. And if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up and give me a comment. I always love to hear from you and it helps the channel. I highly recommend you go and check your local stores for some amazing plants in the form of bulbs.